completing squares with irrational roots and a greater than 1. Let's look at this example, yeah? We're still using completing squares. Again, the first step is isolating x's. So this is the same as 2x squared minus 16x is equal to negative 22. I want to get rid of this 2. I divide by 2, and this gives me x squared minus 8x is equal to negative 11. So at this stage, complete squares. Get b, divide by 2, and square it. b is negative 8. Negative 8 divided by 2 gives you negative. A negative 4 squared gives you 16. So add it both sides of the equation. So x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to negative 11 plus 16. This is a perfect square trinomial. So to factor it, you just get x minus, you see this minus? So it's minus half of b minus 4 squared is equal to 5. So at this point, get the square root, both sides of the equation. Then you'll be having x minus 4 is equal to root of 5 plus or minus. Remember, the square root is plus or minus. So take negative for the other side of the equation. You'll get x is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 5. This is your answer. 4 plus or minus root of 5 is your answer. What that means is your first value of x is 4 plus root 5, and your second value of x is 4 minus root 5. But you can always leave it like this. Okay, let's look at one last example. In this example, we're still using completing squares to work out this problem. First, leave x's alone this side. So this will be 5x squared plus 30x is equal to 20. How I get 20? If you take negative 4, the other side of the equation, it becomes a positive, making 20. So divide by 5, both sides of the equation. Why? Because the coefficients have common factors, so reduce them. So you'll get x squared plus 6x is equal to 4. Get b, divide by 2, and then square it. Remember, b is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So add it both sides of the equation. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 4 plus 9. All right, so this is a perfect square trinomial. So to factor this, it will be x plus 3 squared. You just get x plus half of b, and this gives me 13. So at this point, we get the square root, both sides of the equation, and this would be equal to x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus the root of 13. So x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the root of 13.